हेलो एंड वेलकम टू एबीपी लाइव। हमारे साथ है एक स्पेशल गेस्ट मिस्टर आशीष अग्रवाल हु इज़ द एमडी एंड सीईओ ऑफ सेरोस। सर, सबसे पहले तो इंडिया एनर्जी वीक में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
धन्यवाद, थैंक यू।
सर, अगर हम बात करते हैं इंडिया की, तो जब हम नेचुरल गैस, ऑयल, पेट्रोलियम, बेसिकली एनीथिंग दैट इज़ क्रूशल एंड दैट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल फॉर द इकोनॉमी एंड द नेशन, सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज होता है हमारा इम्पोर्ट्स, डिपेंडेंसी ऑन अदर कंट्रीज आउटसाइड। डोमेस्टिक प्रोडक्शन को बढ़ाने के लिए व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स एंड हाउ आर यू डूइंग द एक्सप्लोरेशन एंड अदर मेजर स्टफ?
थैंक यू चाहत। सो बेसिकली इफ़ यू सी, हर कंट्री को एनर्जी सिक्योरिटी की ज़रूरत है, एंड स्पेशली हमने देखा यूक्रेन रशिया वॉर के बाद में व्हाट हैपेंड, and India is a growing country. Our GDP growth projected over the next decade is average of 7%, and there is a direct correlation between a country's GDP growth and energy demand. Today, India is importing close to about 85% of its energy requirement, and this is a mix of renewable, fossil fuel, hydro, wind, solar, हर तरह का है. So every country needs to maximize, and especially from an India context where import of energy means a lot of foreign exchange outflow, and this can really be a cause of if there is one thing which can derail this growth is energy availability and energy inflation, and that's where companies like Seros come in. We are a homegrown oilfield services provider to upstream exploration companies like ONGC, Oil India Limited, Reliance, SR, Ken, Vedanta, and so many others. So what we do is end-to-end drilling, directional drilling, for well completion services like very blue chip technologies like hydrofracking, nitrogen pumping, sand consolidation, all these bouquet of services which were earlier the domain of only Western big companies like Schlumberger, like Baker Hughes. So very proud to tell you that as an Indian company, we have developed this whole very value added niche portfolio, which is helping India become attain energy security. We are helping to not just explore more, we are helping to produce more. And I'm happy to tell you that we are one company which is, right from drilling to the entire portfolio of services to well completion we are providing. We have India's largest drilling rig, which is a 3,000 horsepower rig going to work in areas of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, which puts us one amongst handful global companies which has this kind of expertise to be able to really own and run this kind of services.
When we talk about the niche companies, western companies, I'm pretty sure कि अब जब इंडिया के अंदर भी इतना सारा काम हो रहा है, तो collaboration भी हो रहा होगा probably with other countries or other companies from outside, because if you want the right expertise, तो you need to have the right skill set, the right people. तो इंडिया में अगर आपने right people, right skill set के लिए किसी के साथ collab किया हो, or probably people from outside.
Yes, very valid point, Chahat. Actually, this is a very niche sector where expertise is core. You are going the subsurface, which is very challenging. There's limited data availability, and the one good news here is कि ये जितनी global कंपनियां हैं, we hear of Sundar Pichai and all that. So that is at the high level. But actually, all these companies also, there is a huge Indian talent which is actually running this ecosystem of whether it is Schlumberger and all. And when they find opportunities back home, we find that they are more than willing to come back and support this kind of endeavor. तो हमने बहुत अच्छी टीम बनाई है. We have the best experts from all of these companies, and they are coming and helping build up this ecosystem. And we also bring in expertise from various many experts, whether it is from Houston, Texas, or Iceland for our geothermal program, or it is from the Middle East. Wherever the relevant expertise is available, we go out. And because now there is opportunity back at home and there are companies which are doing this kind of stuff, we find tremendous interest of these people to come back and associate. And we have a very competent team today, which is helping us. And you rightly said that expertise is the key in this. Yes.
अगर हम बात करते हैं एनर्जी की तो फिलहाल जैसे कि आपने देखा है देयर इज अ बज़वर्ड दैट इज ग्रीन विजन, ग्रीन एनर्जी, रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी. तो व्हाट इज द विजन ऑफ सेरोस? हाउ आर दे कंट्रीब्यूटिंग टू द ग्रीन विजन?
सो कल हमने कीनोट स्पीच में सुना ऑल द ल्यूमिनरीज अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, हरदीप पुरी जी हमारे एनर्जी. सो देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ एनर्जी फॉर एनी country to grow, and this transition is essential from fossil fuel to green energy, because we have to leave behind a better planet for our children, and there is no question. Can this happen overnight? नहीं, ये नहीं हो सकता. ये एक transition process है, and all companies have to be mindful of this transition process. We have to keep bringing down the share of fossil fuels and keep increasing the share of renewable energy, चाहे वो solar हो, wind हो. And Seros on its part is also very committed. We are trying to put India on the global geothermal energy map. Geothermal energy has so far not been tapped in India. We have the technology, the team and the expertise to be able to bring geothermal. And geothermal energy, as you know, is like really renewable. अनलाइक सोलर, रात को धूप नहीं होती तो नहीं बनता है. विंड ओनली व्हेन इट ब्लोज देन यू जनरेट. बट जियोथर्मल तो 24 घंटे वंस यू डू इट. बट it is very, very technology intensive. Basins are still unexplored. It requires deep pockets. It requires deep expertise. You require very, very sophisticated equipment. So it's a full ecosystem that you have to create. And that is what we have been working on. We are in mission mode. And I'm sure we are doing our part. We are very proud to say that हम लोग एक important role play कर रहे हैं towards India's energy, meeting India's energy security. We are building a homegrown company which is second to none in terms of expertise, equipment. We are working with all the top companies, and we are very committed कि we will also participate in this transition. हम अपने तरीके से, we may not be in solar, but there are other players. But जो हम कर सकते हैं, which is related to our field, which is exploration of subsurface. तो हम geothermal energy tap करने में we are really the pioneers and leaders in that field. And this year is going to be important. We are very confident we will have a good breakthrough this season. We are working closely with ONGC, for whom we are working in Ladakh, Puga Valley, for making this happen. Yes.
We wish you that you accomplish your mission very, very soon.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for the interaction. Thank you.